I just woke up again. Well, not just. I woke up like an hour ago and cleaned my room and all that shit. So we're gonna okay. So first of all, the what's it called? We are going to we're gonna remove this username validity. Actually, no, we're gonna leave that right now because we're gonna test the user length as well and all that shit. So yeah, enter your username. We're not gonna use CN. We're gonna just use Galen. So it can actually take it can take anything basically. Pause. All right. STD CN comma user. All right. I literally just turned on my PC and just started the stream. That's it. Of course I have to turn on some music. Fucking fuck. All right. Ooh, also I gotta make this enter input right here now on the bottom because that's pretty All right, there we go. Invalid username. Disconnecting from server. All right, and then we got so if they have an invalid username length, since they're exiting instantly, seg faults. Uh, okay. SSL error 6. So if we go to say handle client, right? Wait, no, sender receiver. Damn, I want to really print the error out. Um, hmm. But I can't. It's gonna be because I'm gonna need to handle cases and all that shit. But I don't want to do that right now. Error 6. Let's see this. Wait, I don't think it's this one. Is it? SSL underscore get error codes. Hmm. I don't know if the other one was the correct one I see. Hmm. I can't print out the error, the like what the error code means. Because I'm gonna have to handle all the cases, which is like fucking where is it? We start from 0 all the way. I mean, we're gonna have to handle fucking 138 basically. I'm not trying to fucking have that much of statements. Or maybe I can handle the most common ones, and for other ones, I'll just say an error and then the code. But I don't know. 6, same thing as we got. Alright, so 0 return. Yeah, see? We saw it in the SSL header. Uh, can we just say there it is? Wait, no, it's not that one. This one. We already saw this, but I didn't know if it was the right one. So the TLS peer has closed the connection for writing by sending the close notify alert. No more data can be read. Does not necessarily. Mm. Okay, so that makes sense. All right. So it's because, I mean, we're kind of closing unexpectedly, and it's kind of not counting as a close, and this is what I understood from there. All right. So, what's it called? So right here, how are we exiting? We're just raising SIGINT. Why don't we say, we don't need that no more, since the server is already handling the thingy. But what I will do is I'll probably just say right here, um, user username limit, well, length limit. It's just based on the server. Just depends on what the server wants. So for hours, we'll say 4 to 12, because that is what it is. All right. Fuck. Oh yeah, it's the client I meant. And don't worry, we're gonna handle all these cases like where there's a get error or whatever the fuck and all that. And it's not gonna handle it manually. It's gonna use that thread for pinging the client, which we don't have active yet. And it's just gonna disconnect the client based on that. And yeah. Hmm. I need to enter something. That's weird. Okay. Why is it? Hold on. What the fuck? Why is it acting like that? Oh yeah, we gotta go to the signal handling. Right. Okay, so we can just get rid of. I'll show you. Shit. So we can get rid of this new line. We're obviously printing a new line. So if okay, so we're not handling password needed or anything, which we gotta do, of course. We don't want to do this shit manually. Oh, there it is. Handles. Wait. Okay, so I'm printing. Yeah, I'm printing a handle password. Okay. Printing this like this. That's weird. Where is it? Segfault after updated vector size. Alright, well, let's first. Okay, so updated vector size, so it has to be of a certain valid length. Uh, okay. I know what it's talking about. Where's it? There it is. Right here. user invalid in length. Client with invalid length, invalid username length. Goddamn. As attempted to join. All right. We're gonna do the same thing for a. Actually, no, we already have it there. Disconnected user with. Oh, we should probably base64 check it too. Um, that's the client. Let me close these unnecessary shits. Okay, there we go. Um, so if that's valid, then it does. Wait, huh? Oh, actually, wait, oh no. That's actually very dumb. Because it's not base 64 text. Well, we can still check it, but we're not sending it in base 64. And actually, mm, okay, we'll actually check it right here. Mm, yeah, that makes sense. Okay. Okay, back to this. Mm, what the fuck? Mm-hmm. So why don't we actually just copy all this? Okay. There we go. Uh, yeah, why don't we just make it fucking a dynamic or I guess some signals. All right. Now we gotta handle all those. Okay. It's a lot better. Okay. Okay. Of course, we're gonna move these empty stuff like soon and stuff, but I'm just doing this for right now. I'm gonna make it so much cleaner later and stuff. We don't want anything on the client side, remember. Where is it? Mm, pretty sure it's on receive. Okay. Mm, yeah, we're gonna do this later. We just want to get the messages that it prints out on the client side. Mm. Also, I have a better idea for the handling of the the signal thingies. Instead of just fucking manually substringing it like that, that's horrible. We just can do it based on the size of the thing. Alright. We'll worry about that later. There's a reason why we're getting a lot of errors and stuff, okay? Key load error. Alright. You have been accepted to join. You have been accepted. You're we're gonna leave client rejoin. Okay. I feel like there's a much better way to do this. Besides this one, we're gonna leave this one out. Okay. I feel like, yeah, there's a much better way. Let me see if I can probably do this. We'll say for that, right? And we'll say, um, if, mm, huh? Why did I put these? Oh yeah, for the handles. I'm at the client rejoin thingy. The message. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Okay, back to this. Mm, Alright, if that's, actually, okay, so it would access it, so it wouldn't get a segmentation fault because this is only going up to the vector's actual size, so we don't have to worry about segfaults and accessing invalid memory. So because we don't have to worry about that, we're gonna have more non-restricted shit. So we're gonna say, mm, mm. So we're gonna say that, right? And damn, I don't know how good this is. What am I even trying to do? We're gonna say if that, or actually we can just grab. All right, look. So if it does not equal the, okay, so we're gonna put all these raised sig int ones over on top so we know which ones to do. All right, so we're gonna say if signal type, if signal does not equal signal type verified. If it does not equal verified, and it does not equal that or accepted. All right. Uh, and uh, accepted. We'll do this a little bit better soon. Then okay. Average base 64 length. Okay. What is the average base 64 length? Okay, the reason why I'm doing that is because I wanna I want to distinguish the base 64 ones with the normal ones, basically. Why don't I just, yeah, why don't I just instead just base64 encode all of them? Um, yeah, we don't have to do it manually for all of them, like return the actual message only. We could probably say, we can probably just return this encoded version instead though. Okay. Alright. And we could just return the base64 encoded version. Now, the rest, all we really have to do is we can just base64 encode all of them now. I mean, let's go decode all of them. So there's no other shit. Because some of them are encoded and some are not, and it's just weird. Alright, we'll encrypt them too later on, maybe. But that's the encryption part is not really needed, to be honest. Alright, so before we delete that, I want to do this. So we're gonna say, yeah, instead of -7 or some shit like that, like manually doing it, we can probably just say, what's it called? Signal, well, converting it to an int and then what's called grabbing the vector from inside and blah blah blah. I'm gonna go get water though. I'll be back. All right, I'm back. Um, so, uh, we can definitely make this condition better, but I'm not gonna worry about that right now, because I just don't want to have fucking so many if statements and shit, and that's just very nasty looking and hideous. And this is a much smarter way to do it and stuff. I didn't even plan on doing this, so yeah. Um, we're gonna continue this shit. Uh, what's the signal thingy? Oh yeah. Oops. The size of that. All right. There we go. Much smaller. Much better. Alright. Now these, we're gonna also fix them. Or we can simply just say client rejoin. If it does not equal that, then we can basically just uh, 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 yeah, we can just do this. Same thing. Yeah. Now, actually, what we can just do is we can combine this whole thing, and we could just print out the message basically like that. And so why don't we actually just and then right here, if else, it's just going to return as 0 or whatever the fuck. Actually, it's not gonna return anything. Yeah. Wait. Oh. God fucking damn it. Perfect. Wait a minute. No, that's wrong. Oh, actually, no. Never mind. Okay, it's good. I thought we were printing out the whole message like that. You have joined and blah blah blah, and taking the size of that and just splicing it. That would make no sense. That's perfect. Okay. Oh wait. Um. Okay, so there's nothing in there. Server. All right. Name exist error. Actually, that's good. All right. let's fix this thingy real quick. It's gotta be an unsigned long. Alright, unsigned and this we gotta fix this warning real quick. Oh, wait, also. Let's remove the encoding shit. Right here. This gone. The encoded message ones? Yeah, no. What the fuck? Okay, yeah, this. We're not encoding the messages no more. These are just normal ones because they're already encoded when they are sent back. Alright. We'll ignore that because we haven't tried the no password option yet. Okay. We should fix all these warnings for right now. I'm gonna leave them maybe right now. Mm. Those fucking warnings are ugly though. The OK signal. Oh, yeah. We gotta handle the OK signal as well. What's it called? Because we're still exiting on the OK signal, which is fucking not right, of course. Um, or signal. Um, else we're just gonna ignore that bitch. Ignore that bitch. Ignore that bitch. Alright. What the fuck? Oh, if this is that and if that, okay. Uh, 49152. What the fuck is this? Why is it doing that? Uh, it's not handling it properly. If this does not equal that and that does not equal, oh my gosh. Else return. Come on. What the fuck? I mean, it's just printing it out still. What the fuck? What the fuck? Client server started on that. Oh my gosh, this is annoying. Is it even running that? Because it should not. Because if it is running that, I mean, what the hell? It is running it. What the fuck? It's not. I don't know what the fuck it's doing. Okay, now we're gonna send a signal. I'm at the OK signal. Oh, it's too big. Let's say let's say 124. Because it is base 64. It shouldn't be 200. I don't think. It is running the race SIGINT though. So where's it happening? Assuming it actually does that right here. Yeah, okay. Handle the signal. Alright, yeah, it should be right there. Okay. STD out here. So I guess. Yeah, okay, okay. It's right there. Now we know where it is. So it's right here, and then it runs the signal. It runs OK signal, and then raises SIGINT. What a dumb mistake. Alright. What the fuck? Wait, why is it running that? Why is it ignoring that? What the fuck? It's just printing that out. Hmm. Say if that is that, right? So like, literally saying if it does not equal the OK signal, then do this. What the fuck? If signal does not equal, what is wrong with this? Mm, Let me try finding out. Hold on. Hold on. I'm pretty sure I got like a logic error or some shit. Like, hold on. I mean, this is. I have done that. It's still running it. Mm, Let me just print it out at least, I guess. A seg fault? Do I not have the unknown? The fuck you mean? What? What do you mean? It's just running it. Mm. Damn. Alright. So, alright. It's just the OK signal. Oh! Oh my fucking god, I'm so dumb. I'm supposed to check the Actually, no. No. How am I? It's just 18. Alright, so the 18th one. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. It's unknown. Why is it unknown? Well, this would work if we say just signal, what's called, and signal does not equal signal type unknown. That would work. It's not gonna do that thing, but shouldn't it be an OK signal? That's weird. So, why is it unknown? It should be the OK signal. Oh, wait. Oh. Oh, yeah, because we're encoding the messages. And right here, we're handling it. And of course, the base64. So the base64 was like fucking some shit like this, right? It's going to give us an unknown signal since this is not a signal anywhere that we recognize. Init message, so we're passing in the message. Now what we're actually supposed to do, we're going to do it for basically all these. So get signal type, init message. Now init message, what's it called? We're going to obviously decode it. So we're going to say SD string, say decoded message is equal to decode base64 decode MSG. Same with this. Alright, and we're gonna find that, else it's gonna return that. Okay, perfect. That makes a lot of sense. Who is this? What the fuck is this? Just gonna fucking mix it. Alright, so that makes a lot of sense. Okay, yeah. Because we were sending the encoded messages and we were sending them encoded. Now the reason why I decoded them in the beginning, right, where is it? The reason why I decoded it, what's called right here in the get signal type. Of course, we're gonna expect the encoded message, but right now I'm decoding it from in here because I don't want to change the rest of the code, and it's gonna take fucking forever. And it's gonna just look a lot neater like that. There we go. Say someone, you have joined the server pass. Okay, now we're having problems with the actual right here. All right. Don't I have word wrapping enabled? Uh, I'm at line wrapping. I don't know. Wrap. I thought it was on by default. Anyways, if that, blah blah blah. Hold on, I gotta use the bathroom. I'll be back. I'm back. Okay, let's continue this shit. What were you doing? Oh yeah. Um, we're gonna do this. Same thing. We just had a logic fuck up. Now, uh, this should be the same thing though, right? Pass. All right. So the length is wrong. Let's see this. Password needed, password not needed. Pass. Verify. So from 0 minus the length of that. Now why isn't that printing? Ow. Why isn't that printing that properly as it should? It should be printing it properly. I don't know why it's not though. Um, mm, okay. So I don't know why it's not printing it though properly. So say. All right, let me make a new file real quick. Let me save it. It's just called Okay, let me go to my test folder. We actually have a test folder for a reason. Remember. We don't? Not dot gets. Testing folder. That's weird. Okay, we'll save as test.cpp. Alright, we'll have a test terminal, I guess. We'll just make one more like that. Okay. So, alright, we're gonna go to testing. Okay, we're gonna say include IOStream. We'll just use using namespace std. Alright, now we're gonna say just return 0. We'll say cout. Let's include vector real quick. We'll say I'm not used to using it without namespace. std no more. Okay, we'll say just that. And we'll just name it name cut. Alright, and that is actually just gonna have, we'll say password. Okay, we're making a test file just so what's it called? We can just print it out. Print out something. So we can just we're just making a test file so we can see what's the problem when we imitate it, I guess. We'll say name equals join my name here, password. Okay, so it doesn't have to be password, it just has to be the same length. All right, now we're gonna say cout name, well, sub str, well, name dot sub str. We'll go from 0, let's call it to the from 0 to the length of name the length. Now this is just gonna print it out normally. It's not gonna do anything. Oops. There we go. Let's print out a new line as well. Okay. Oops. There we go. So now we're just gonna minus, say, name cuts. The first one dot length. What the fuck? It's printing out properly here. Why is it not doing it there then? It's right here. Why is it not doing it there then? What the fuck? It should be doing it there. Say message. Password, you have been kicked. Past. Alright. Password incorrect. Password not verified. Alright. And then the message is wrong password. It's from right here. It's from the server side. Where's it? Okay. Wrong password. You have been kicked. Alright. What's wrong with this? Okay. I know it's bad to have headers inside headers and all that shit, but I'm just gonna leave it right now, okay? Uh, so right here. Oops. Okay, let me remove just these shit that we're not using. Alright, so we have this message, and then in the end, it has that. Now, if we have this length, the length is 56. Now, the length of this is 19. And if that's 19, we're subtracting the size. It's leaping 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why is it leaping 5, though? That doesn't make sense. So look. We're decoding that, and we're saying from the length minus the, what's called, that's the length. Alright. Why don't we do it right here then? So we have the same shit right here, so wrong password, you have been kicked. Oops. Right there, right? And say password not verified. Okay, so we're gonna first output namecut of 0. And it's gonna have this message, and it's alright, cout namecut of 0. Now that, but we're gonna substring it. Now we're gonna say std string, say name equals namecut 0. So we're gonna actually just, from the first right here, we're removing that from the length. Alright. Oh, it's printing just fine. I mean, it is printing literally just fine. I feel like there's a problem with the encoding stuff. Oh, yeah, there is. Yeah, okay. So we're supposed to decode the message first. We'll put this just in a variable. We'll say const std string decoded message. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Oops, string. All right, we're just gonna basically output this. Yeah, okay. Not for a message, this is just gonna be for decode a message. Okay, yeah. So, I see why. Alright, so basically, hold on. Basically, say we have, so we were actually decoding it. So we were decoding the message. So look, say we have a decoded message. Say we have a decoded, an encoded message, and it's like, say, this is encoded message, right? Now we were decoding this. Now say the um, so actually we were minusing from the base 64. So say we were minusing the amount of message. We're minusing this amount, and then actually what we were doing is we're decoding this, and at the same time. So we're not actually what's called doing it right. I don't know how to explain it, but in my way of thinking, that should just be correct. All right, yeah, perfect. Yeah, so we were doing it all at the same time, which is very wrong. So we actually got to first decode it and then subtract it. We were subtracting the length and decoding it at the same time, which is obviously going to lead to problems. But yeah, okay. All right. Just have to take a look at the code sometimes. Just look at it and then you can find out what's wrong. All right. So there's not going to be any problems anymore with that. The signal handling is so much cleaner now. I mean, 107 is like very clean. All right. So I'm going to first delete all the stuff from the, what's it called? Your keys, all these. Hold on, let me be careful. Server received. Oh no, not testing folder. Your keys. Yeah, we're just gonna delete all those. Fuck. Um, let me start the server real quick. Just exit it. Let it clean up everything. Alright, your keys. Just delete that. Okay. TXT files. We have nothing in there. It deletes it. Yeah, that's very good. Okay, so now we're gonna say fixed and added all signals uh, from server to client side signal handling and what's called made handle signal in clients much more better and shorter. All right, that's so much cleaner. Okay. Now that look at this. I mean, it's so much more better now. All right. Seriously. Decoded data. Dio. What the fuck was I on? Decoded data. God damn. Okay, so yeah, we're good on that. Now these seg faults that are happening from the server is because what's it called is trying to access blah 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 some fucking shit. Okay, now that's not a big problem. Of course, we're gonna change some stuff up like the pinging stuff. It's gonna handle all those automatically and never really give us a seg fault for the client leaving or anything like that. Basically, all right. It's gonna automatically detect if they left and yeah, do its thing. Anyways, uh, what else should we do here? All right. Let's see the get issues. What else? Okay. There's not really memory leaks in the client anymore. There's just like once or twice, maybe sometimes. But basically, most of it is gone. Uh, anyways, um, format time. Ooh, we didn't even include the time stuff. Okay, first of all, let me connect the clients. Alright, like just two of them. So I want to see how it looks and stuff. Alright, okay, perfect. That's. You have joined the server, password verified. So if the password is verified. Alright, wait. Oh, it's not. Okay. So right here in the client, we're saying if that. Okay. Decoded message. You have joined the server. The password verified. What the fuck? And then it's not running that, of course. Well, besides that weird shit, it seems a lot cleaner though. Okay. Uh, what's it called? Say I leave. Uh, it says I left, but it's not sending the exit message. It exits here too. Uh, at least there is no fucking seg faults. Okay. So both the clients did leave. Yeah, both of the clients left. Okay. But if both of the clients left, it should be what's it called? Exiting the whole server too. Yeah, this I can probably just put it in a key sending stuff. I've been waiting to do this shit. Okay. Um, this is dumb. Okay, now, um, okay. Now this whole thing, we could probably just go to the keys, server side, uh, we'll say send key, class send key. I mean, I don't really think we should make a whole class for it. We could probably just, yeah, yeah, we don't really need a whole class. We can probably say just void uh, send key. All right, now we're gonna include that's an encrypt. Okay, encryption, and then send and receive. Okay, signal handling too. Oh fuck, which one is the servers? Signal handling. Okay. Now all that we need is just the client, and we're gonna change these two. Um, we'll say wait, no, that's not UFP. SSL client socket. All right. Um, or should this be in the send receive? Hmm. I don't know. Anyways, but we'll move it later if we need to. Uh, okay, so for this, we'll say int client index client send index index of client to send the key to. All right. Back to my fucking headphones turning off again because I don't have shit to play. Why don't we use Pragma? It just avoids a lot of shit. Alright. So expected that. Okay, so this is from actually the server. I meant the file function. Oops. That's this. What's it called? The clients. Anyways, I think so. Wow. Yeah, that's good. The fuck do you mean? Oh yeah. Okay. So that client send index. Okay. That's gonna be that. Send it to the client socket. All right. Yeah. That's good. Now, okay. I don't know if I should move this the other. Send. Yeah, I mean, I guess. Alright, and we can get rid of the other includes. Where's it? Here. We could just get rid of these now. Okay. Now, right here, we could just say send send key. Now, first is gonna be the client socket. Fuck, what was it? Oh, client socket. Okay, and then this is gonna be this, the index. Oops. The other client's index, so we can say, what's it called? Client, the client index plus one modulus the client usernames dot size. All right, I like that percent sign. That looks good on this font. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna do that. Else, if blah blah blah, we're just going to wait. Okay. Else if that, um, okay, we'll just wait, and then yeah, okay. Sending that. No need for this. The client, hold on, R value. Yeah, we need to send R value, not L value. Alright, signal type. We don't have signal handling. Damn, okay. So we're gonna do that now. Server set message. There we go. Okay. This should be fixed. Alright. Now. Basically, we're gonna do the same shit right here. And then break. This was gonna be for the sending client. Okay, sending client. This is just gonna be the client. Oh, we should also put int client sender. Actually, just client index. All right, so we're gonna say client index, sending that client to client. Client send index. All right. Now, none of this is needed. So for the other opposite client, and then that's for the opposite client. So that's 2. Then actually, let's see what we need to do. What we did. Fuck, let's just go. Let's see what we used to do. So if client usernames too, so we're supposed to send the first client's key. So we'll say, so client socket, of course, the first client's key to the client too. Oops. Oh yeah, we need to pass in the client index. Now we're gonna do the same thing, client 2's key. Now right here, we're just gonna send the client 2's key to client 1. This is just gonna be send client's 2 key to that. I'm just gonna keep sleeping for a second, reading and all that bullshit. Okay. Um, yeah, that's it for that. Just send the OK signal. Uh, print that. Waits for that, blah, blah, blah. Okay. If client joins too, we're just gonna send the second client's key to the first client. So, second client, yeah, same shit right there. All right, there we go. Client does not equal sucks one. So actually, we're sending the first. Okay, so we can probably say for um, if the total joins is greater than 2, so yeah, the client rejoins shit. All right. Uh, for every client in SSL socks, if the client does not equal client, then so if the client does not equal the second client, so we're trying to send. Oh yeah, so he can avoid sending the key to himself as well. We could just do this simply, uh, like that. Can just do that. So actually, hold on. So the client usernames -1. Okay, that's gonna need to be like that. We're already down like so much. Perfect. Alright, sending that, blah blah blah. Whoever told me my code was good in the fucking beginning, like back then, fuck you, okay? Besides that, we're just gonna sleep there and keep checking. Um, okay, break. Then we leave that. If that is that, else, blah blah blah, do its thing. Okay. Now, let's make the server. Oh, we should also fix these warnings real quick. So, in cleanup, different signedness, so from long unsigned ints. So this client index. Okay. Cleanup. Let's just use pragma allowance. I'm just switching to that since somebody actually recommended me that and I didn't listen to him. And I just decided, fuck it. It's not really gonna affect anything. We'll just leave it like that real quick. I don't want to have to do it. Fuck. Okay. There we go. Now, let's connect another client. Okay, first of all, wait. Okay. This is the OK signal. Okay. Because the other guy closed. Cleaned him up too. Think so, yeah, I did. Okay. There's a problem. Second guy is trying to send. Okay, what if that's just a one-time problem? Is it just a small bug? Also, notice that, like back then, way back then, we used to have a bug where the other client would sometimes fail in loading or any of that, but that's far gone. Okay, so it is a bug. Alright. So, um, that's the OK signal. So if we go right here, so this guy is actually getting the, okay, let's delete this real quick. Just delete all this shit. Okay. Let's, make that real quick. Okay. So let's see what the they're both receiving. Oops. Okay. So keys from server, that's nothing. Alright, server keys is that server received keys, so that's what the server receives. Server keys, uh, oh, what was it again? I forgot the directory. So txt directory path, yeah, okay. Keys received from server path. So keys received from server path. The keys from server. I'm guessing that's it. Is it? Yeah, okay. Um, alright. So that's the keys from server, okay. Got another client didn't join yet. We'll say 8080. I think it is. Yeah. Okay, so it should generate it. Where's your keys? Oh no, it didn't generate yet. I forgot. Okay. It generates your keys, and then the other guy can't load the other guy's keys. Server received keys. It doesn't receive the second guy's keys. Now, let's see why. So it doesn't receive. Wait, why is it not receiving the second guy's keys? Um, cannot open the pen file. Alright, let's do this more slower. 49152. 49152. Okay, this guy connected properly. Let's see what else. What happens. Alright, starts it up. Okay, password needed signal. It's sending that. Password cipher received from client. Okay, they're verified. Loads their loads the server, decodes it. Says user validated, and that's alright. Sent to users active amounts. Okay, let's connect this guy now. Oops, it's 8080. Now 49152. Okay. Password needed. Sends all that. Alright. Okay. So another client proceeded. So sending client zero's keys to client 2 could not open pen file. Okay. Sending client 1's keys to client 1. Huh. Sending the keys to himself. So where another client joins, hold on. So where another client joins. Oh. No need for this. Hold on. So when it's 2, gonna send the first client's keys to the client index. Alright. And okay. So we're gonna do that. 0. So okay. Eighty 80. Also, for some reason, the substringing is fucked up on the second client. I don't know why. Okay. So it's sending that. Okay, so sending client 1's key to client 0. It's not sending it properly. What the fuck is this? This is just the OK signal. If we go to base 64, decode online. Just the OK signal. What the fuck? I mean, I don't need that shit. Why is it just sending that? Send the user OK signal. Okay, sending client 1's key to client 2. Then we access that. So if that should be 0, which it is. Okay, so this client is, that client's right now. Should be 1. It is 1. What the fuck? Client send index, which is 1. Sending this client's key to that client. Wait. Hold on. Okay, what the fuck? Why is it just acting weird, but if it's all good. Um, I don't know, I don't see anything wrong, I guess. Let's just see the output. Sending client one. So it sends first the client 1's key to client 0. Does it attempt to, does it try, why is my fucking shit lagging? My mouse. Does it try to send the clients, hold on. Okay, so if we go right here, sending this user's index, so client index is, okay, sent to user active. Alright, sending client 1's key to client 0. Wait, hold on, what the fuck? So, client index, that. Why is it sending the fucking OK signal then? Send the uncoded key contents. Why is it just sending that then? Public key path, client send index. Okay. Let's just output some shit. STDC out. Client to send to. I hope we don't get a seg file from this. Client send index, and then we're gonna just underline. Say that. Alright, so client to send to is that. Client to send to value is, it's just gonna be from the client usernames. All right, and client sending from sending from value that is gonna be this. Oh, I see it. It's sending that. Okay. Well, let's first comment that out, actually. Okay, that was very dumb. Alright. Four nine one five two. Okay. Okay, hold on. Now let's see this. Alright. So send that's sending client one's key to client zero. So now the opposite is happening to this guy though. So receiving that, this is the actual key though. So if we actually say, wait, we can't even decode that since it's not the full one, it's actually substringed. So receiving that, okay. So that's because we exited the server. So it actually receives the other guy's key. Now, sending, okay, so let me output this. Okay, because I want to see exactly who we're sending to and all that shit. My keyboard's about to die. Okay. All right. Perfect. Okay. So client to send to. Client to send to value. So we're sending it to this guy. Sending from this guy. So we're sending client zero's key to client this. Okay. So why don't we actually make that more clear by instead of just fucking printing the client number and all that shit, we can just say sending client usernames from the client index, sending his key to the other guy's key. So we can say, um, what's it called? I meant to this guy. All right. So we're sending we're sending this guy's key. So this guy is the first guy that actually joins. Okay. So it's this guy that actually joins. And it says could not open pen file. Now, why can't I open the pen file? Client send index. So we're attempting. So shouldn't this std cout the save path, save path, std end line. All right, and then the key path, public key path. For sure doing something wrong right here. We're probably using the wrong index. Okay, so it says cannot open the PEM file. Now that's when right here. Could not open the PEM file. Then it returns empty. From the public key path. Okay, so and then we're gonna sending from this guy, sending this guy's key to this guy. All right, and I don't know why that is not working. It should be working properly. I mean, yeah. Okay. Fuck. Okay. 49152. All right. Some random name. Okay. Let's see this now. Okay. So right here, blah blah blah. Just doing its thing. Sending client this guy's keys. Sending this guy. We shouldn't put client right here. Sending. Okay. Sending this guy's key to that guy. All right. Right here. So sending this guy's key to. So if we look, that's the second guy. So this guy is the first one. So someone, some off, whatever the fuck. That guy is the first user. So we're sending the second client's key to the first user. The safe path. The safe path is that the key path. Huh. Why are we... We're doing the same thing right here. What the fuck? If we go right here and then we go to the receive keys and connect. There's nothing. Okay, user public key and then receive and save the user's public key. That was different last time. Public key, receive and save the user's public key. Okay, but where's the public keys path? User's public key. Okay. Seeing that guy's name. Alright. Now if we go to this. Alright, hold on. My fucking keyboard, I mean, not my keyboard, my mouse is lagging a lot. It's becoming annoying. All right. Um, so it's a little bit better. Okay, so the save path and the key path are the exact same thing. I don't know why we're sending that twice then. Uh, Probably key from client. Loading that. Loaded that, and then it sends it. Okay, it looks like it sends it properly. Alright, because it does not give me an error message or anything wrong. Okay. Now, the connected clients. Okay. Another user connected. Sending the first guy's key to the second guy. The guy that gets this error. Alright, and we're saying save path, all that. So it does send it, but the problem is it's sending that as the file name as well. So what we're actually supposed to be doing, we send an OK signal and then we send that. Okay. So, damn it. Hold on. Alright. Right here. So, it's expecting the path first, which we are sending the path. I mean, I don't know why the fuck it's not working. So from so we're supposed to find this. Alright, that should be at the last. So that's for some office keys. Alright. No, it does not find that. Really? Oh no, that's the encoded one. Okay. Why are we basically? Why are we encoding it again? What the fuck? That's weird. It's a PEM key. It's already encoded. Anyways. Yeah. Okay. So we're sending that, and then it counts that as the file path, I guess. So we're gonna go to the client and let's see what's wrong. Receive keys and connect. The user's public key, that's the path, I'm guessing. And then that's, alright. So for the second client, that's receiving the key. We're sending that. And then we're good. We're just sending his key to the other client. Or actually, hold on. This is not making sense. So we're supposed to be sending the second client's key to the first client. First client's key to the second client. Mm. Hold on. Okay, let's see this. This is weird. So the server deleted it, but damn it. Okay, hold on. Mm. I'm not sure. So it's supposed to be sending it. I mean, I don't. Uh, Another user connected. So to this client. Should we just send that before? I'm not actually gonna leave it like this. Alright. My keyboard's almost close to dying, so I can't really type properly. I don't know if obviously I'm not gonna leave it like that, but I don't know if that's gonna work. Sending an OK signal and then something that's gonna need to expect or whatever the fuck. Let's see. All right, 80, 80. Okay, so it required. That's why we had the OK signal last time, remember? Because it required that. Anyways, make this guy leave, right? Okay, so the other guy left. And this guy can't type because he left too, apparently, I guess. Besides that, the guy has left the chat, so both of them left the chat. And, yeah. Broadcasting exit message of the user. We gotta put in a new line. Okay, this is fucking ugly. Alright, so right here, broadcast exit message to that. We'll say just end line. Alright, and then loads the key and does all its bullshit. Okay. Alright, so we just needed an OK signal now. The reason why, so we would put this OK signal there, but the reason why we're not doing that is because the first client does not need an OK signal, but the second client does. Now, what we could just do, I mean, we could just leave it like this, I guess. Fucking, since it needs it. I wasn't gonna leave it like that, but I guess I should. So, yeah. Now we got the keys part working though, so that's pretty good. Alright. Okay. So that, I mean, yeah, that's a lot better. It's more cleaner and shit. So I want to test the rejoin thingy, but obviously we can't right now since the other client fucking leaves when the first client leaves. So I'm not sure. And it does not send the broadcast. It doesn't send the exit message to the other user since the other user disconnects at the same time that it's sending. So obviously he's not going to receive it and it's going to not refresh and all that bullshit. Okay. So yeah. I'm thinking about the damn we can't see right now. Okay, so first of all, let me remove the where is it? Oh yeah, the username availability. Okay, so I mean this is much cleaner now. I mean it's working very good. It's more shorter and all that shit. Um, this is not working like when I do that. I'll fix that later, of course, but right now I just want to see something in the actual Ncurses stuff. Alright. Let's say just someone that. Okay. The port is 8080. Alright. We'll say 8080. Somewhat. Just say that. Okay. Now, there we go. That's good. Okay. And yeah, it's sending properly and all that shit, so it's very good. Now, what I do want to work on is say another user, say the, what's it called, okay, hold on. Um, say the user is typing right. Wait, no, what I wanted to check, it doesn't happen after like the scroll thing, like when there's too much messages where it scrolls. It doesn't happen at that point. Um, it only happens when the what's it called? The other. Uh, yeah, it only happens when. Okay, why didn't it send the join message? Okay, we gotta fix that too. Besides that, though, yeah, this, see, it's only happening right there, but when there's so much messages where it overflows, basically, it does not happen, alright? Now, I don't like that, obviously. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna run the first client with Valgrind, and I'm gonna quit at the second client. So dash leak check is full client. All right, just 8080. Okay, we'll just start this up. Wait for this guy to generate his keys and send them. All right, there we go. All right. Now these people are connected, right? Let's say this guy leaves. Oh, I should have run this with GDB actually. Oh yeah, I forgot. When I run this with a debugger or some shit, yeah, that it does that. Anyways, we're gonna ignore these right now. I don't care about that. I don't know why. Okay, so first of all, I can't run the I can't run this with getline. No, I don't know why, but that is pretty weird. I'll change that though soon. I'll run it with getline somehow. Uh, but I don't know why it is quitting. It's a little weird. It's a little weird. Besides that though, um, we're just gonna see what else we need. Right here, what do we just do? Uh, made, okay, made key sending on server to a separate function to avoid repeated code on and a cleaner looking. All right. Now, okay. 2 months ago for this repo. Really? Where's the original? Hold on. This is so dumb. What the fuck is that name? Oh, I actually started 3 months ago. That's not as long as I thought, to be honest. That's pretty good, though. I mean, a 3 month project. Basically all summer working on this. Pretty good. This was so ugly. Oh my gosh. I'm surprised my fucking VS Code folder is not here. Updated encrypt traffic. Ugh. By the way, this was AI generated the what's called the README only. I mean, I'm not really using AI no more, especially not to write my code. Only like for explanations and stuff. Sometimes to write a little bit of code, but I'm talking about basic shit. But not really on this project. Not at all. Mostly. What the fuck? Why is this here? Delete this shit. This is not gonna happen no more. Since we we did it and fixed it. How the fuck do I delete something in here? Um uh God damn it. I'll just remove it from here. Fucking that. I'll just do it right here, it's faster. I'll say deleted on not needed junk file. Okay. Now that's some pretty good progress for today. Now we're gonna actually check more options to see. So for generate password, this should just generally work the same. Now we're gonna need to copy that shit. Alright. We need to copy this so we can paste it. It should be it. Alright, now we're gonna say, let's just client. Wait, what the fuck is this? Hold on. Port is that? Wait. Okay, so it's not erasing it properly. These magic strings, we're gonna, of course, change all these later, but not right now. Okay. um, yeah, we're gonna, for the port is that. Yeah, we're gonna delete that, of course. Why would we wanna print that out? That was just for debugging. Alright. That's very unreliable, by the way. Just using ASCII thingies to, what's it called? Clear the whole line. That's not really safe, a little bit. Oh yeah, I don't know the password, so hold on. Um, 49152. Okay, this one's not working either. So, verifying password. What the fuck are you talking about? Okay. I'm not reaching that. Fuck it, let's just really quick. Curses menu. Why are we erasing the line right here as well? Oh! The fuck? Okay. Password needed 0. Fucking god. Password needed 0. Okay, hold on. Password needed is 1. Okay. Client with invalid length has attempted to join kicking, and then attempts to send their shit. I'm gonna send them something. Pretty sure. Okay, hold on. Okay. Now. um, what was I gonna do? Oh yeah. So let's see why password needed is set to 1. I meant to 0 when we use generate password or whatever the fuck. Uh, password needed. Are we? Okay, so we're obviously accessing it from here. And it's set to 0 by default. Oh, it's because we're not modifying it. Okay. Now, um, we could just do that, but I'll do that later. I'll just leave it right now. So, we're supposed to set it to 1 right here. See that how this is that? Same thing for right here. Alright, it should just be that simple. Okay. Wrong password. Really? Do we even store that in the... Okay, hold on. Um, RS. Alright, so 49153 RS TE. Is that a O? 9 question mark G. Really? Okay. So that, alright. Where's it? Okay. Now, um, where's server hash? It's not here. What are we giving it then? What the fuck? Okay. It returns that. Now, okay, what is the problem? Alright, let's see this shit. Uh, just generate the password. Mm, um, I don't know. I'm just doing everything that I should be doing. There's nothing that's wrong, I see. Alright. So that one works properly and stuff. Now this one can't. It's not working. I don't know why. A wrong password. How is it the wrong password though? It should be the correct one. Okay, we'll leave that option right now. We're probably just doing something wrong. Besides that, let's test don't set password. Now this one's gonna be absolutely horrendous. Yeah, okay. Password needed is 0, so why is it sending the password needed signal? So password needed, say password, there it is. If it's 1, else send the password not needed signal. And then why is it telling us we need a password signal? Okay. So it should not be telling us that. Let's go to the signal handling for the server right here. All right. So this server's password protected. Yeah, join the server. Yeah, we'll just. Um. Yeah, yeah. Entered the correct password. Uh, you have entered the server. Let's see. Okay. Hold on. Push date was 30. There's a private key exposed in my. I just got an email. Oh yeah, I don't give a fuck about this. I know. Just GitHub sent an email saying private keys were exposed. I don't really give a fuck about that. All right. Oh, let's go to our. Hold on. So txt files your key. So dot ignore. We'll say. Okay, txt files. Keys dash from dash server. What else? Server dash received keys from client. Keys from server dash keys. Txt files. Well, okay. Your keys dash keys. Your keys. What else? Server received. I spelled it wrong, I guess, last time. Server received client keys. All right. Let's just delete this shit. txt files now. Okay. I don't need these. Let me just. Server keys server dash received client keys txt your keys, then keys from server sudo. Okay. Just pull again. Alright, there we go. So, okay. We were setting the no password 8080. This says request password. Let's say someone. No. Okay. There's definitely a problem with that stuff. Alright. So right here, we're just going to password not needed. Where is it? Password not needed. So if we go to client, it's handling the password right. Where is it? It's using handle password right. Where the fuck is it? Right here. Where's it? Oh, there it is. Okay. We're going to grab, so right here, connective server on passig, password needed signal. Why did we even pull this if we're not going to use this? Literally not using it anywhere, alright? So, okay. If we go to signal handler right here, alright. Okay. Now there was the problem with it. I see it. Okay. So, right. Hold on. Let's just move all that shit. All right. So, server is password protected. Now this is printed out like this, which is horribly wrong. Okay. We're actually gonna need to first. Let's pass in the const. Well, not const actually. std string message. The signal type, just signal, and server public key path. Okay. Password needed signal. Okay. Why are we doing this right here? So we're gonna say we're not even handling the fucking signal. The fuck? What the hell? Okay, we're gonna go signal. All right. Now get signal type from here. Okay. Password needed. Okay. Check errors with username. Oh, that's the signal, and then this is the message. So we're gonna say password needed. All right. There we go. Now, right here, actually, we're not even gonna print this. Oh, we're not. Actually, wait. Okay, yeah. This is just for printing out the signals. This is, uh, so right here, actually, we're gonna pass in the message, the password needed, and then the password needed signal. Okay. We can just handle it right here. Uh, no need for any of this if there's no password needed. Alright, so we're gonna get the message, handle the signal. Okay. Now we can just say if oh wait, signal. Okay, password not needed. Mm, these are the ones that we don't want to obviously exit on and shit. Request needed as well. Request needed. What else? So the name exists, not verified, verified. We already got that. Okay, signal. Server request accepted. Let's say server request accepted. Server limit is, of course, we're leaving. Keyload, yeah, that's pretty much good. This looks like we might fix that later. I don't know how, but we'll do something. Just password needed. Alright. Oh, we're not passing that in. We're handling the signal right here. Alright. If signal, if password needed signal, fuck, yeah, is equal to signal type, password needed. Actually, password not needed. Then we can just return. Besides that, yeah, we're leaving from here. We don't need any of this shit. Um, else we're not gonna be outputting this, cause that's just useless basically. All right, perfect. Let's see this now. Okay. Let's say normally they should just be the same, I hope. All right. 8080. Server's from it does not print it out. Okay. Connected on port 8080. And what did it used to do? Oh, it used to load the key shit. Um, how the fuck is this gonna work? What's in place with that? What the fuck? Okay, hold on. Um, okay. End line. Oh. Oh yeah, we are outputting it. What the hell is wrong with this then? If password is needed, so sending password needed to thread, that password needed is the get message by signal. Okay. Um, password needed. Hmm. Okay, why don't we append that? So if we append that, we're actually gonna get the full message. Besides, okay, so right here, the reason why is probably because of that problem. So, okay, oh, we're handling it on top right here. Where's it? Where's it? Right here. All right. It's because we're handling it on top right here, and yeah, that's a problem. Because it's loading the key after. Uh, we should just not output the thingy. So servers public key has been loaded. Yeah, we don't need to output this. Actually, we do. Okay. Well, handle the signal now. If oh yeah, we can just okay. Yeah, we can say if that is that. Else. If it's not needed, yeah, do that. Okay, we're gonna just, there we go. Okay. Also, this should just be down here where it gets our password. Four nine one five three. Okay, perfect. Runs the exact same way, and now we have more flexibility with this this way. So say we wanted to do that, it's gonna actually print the correct message. See? Enter your username. Now this is an empty one, and that's because when we're sending this, um, we want to append the signal. So what's tied into this? So you have joined the server. It should just say you have joined the server now. I mean, I don't know what else. I mean, I could probably say there is no password needed or some shit like that, but why would they need to know that? I mean, they just joined straight up. Alright. Oh wait, no, let's just not set the password. Because we're trying to test this without password. Yeah. There we go. Okay. It sends it. Let's see if this runs the same way though. Username already exists. Oops. Rate limit. Fuck. Say no password. 49153. Okay. Yep. Works perfectly fine. I mean, yeah, it works perfectly fine. That's very good. Okay. I mean, okay, so right here. Uh, fixed, um, fixed no password option working properly now. Okay. All right. So we fixed that. What's it called? Hold on. All right. Next option. We're going to make user request to join without a password. All right. Let's see this. So it's 8080. Yeah. Yeah. Enter the server because password needed is 0. Okay. So why don't we actually send okay, so this is going to be a little bit more complex since two things are required, all right? Now, if that, then it's just going to ask that. Okay. Now that request message, we're going to need to append that too, of course. So why don't we, I don't think we actually have the stuff set up for it. Okay. Um, we'll say else if password needed is equal to 2, 0. Now, of course, we're gonna change these to the signals and all that. That's gonna be later, though. Else if password equals, so if it equals 1, then it's gonna do that. We're gonna say that, and then we're gonna say right here, if password needed equals, say 2. That means they're gonna request needed. All right. Now, um, oh wait, we can probably just say, okay, request needed, which is, all right. Request needed for server check. All right. Okay. Okay, so we're not even updating request needed if we do request, what's it called, do any of that shit. Okay, so we're gonna put it in the ncurses menu, and then we're gonna actually use extern the same way that we're pulling. Yeah, we're gonna also delete this shit, cause yeah, no, that's hideous. We're gonna just delete that connection signal. Seriously, just twice. That's a disappointment. Okay, user's path. We're not using that. There's too much global variables as well, by the way. All right, and it's very ugly looking. Okay, in server sock, we literally have this 2 times down there, I think. What the fuck? I mean, we're not even using server sock. That was so useless. Okay, now, we're gonna say, so right over, where's it? Mm, where's it? Okay, so right up here, is it okay? I didn't paste it. Int request needed. Actually, I'm just going to put over there, and we'll just say int request needed. Let's remove this. All right, now in our ncurses menu, we are going to set request needed, password needed, and request needed. This pnint stuff No, we are not doing that shit. Just empty. Okay. Server starting up without password. This should just be 0. Now the reason why I was working the other time without a password when we were doing the other options is because we had an else statement. So if it's not 1, then do that. Else, treat it as a non-needed password or whatever the fuck. Okay, without password, and that server has been set. That's oh yeah, we're good on that. All right, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this. Now, so we're starting out without password and this. I hate these clearing stuff. It's so ugly. We're gonna change all of this. Fucking make this more beautiful and shit. Let's just use Pragma once. Okay. All right. Now, with the password is that request needed. Now with an user need request. Okay. Um, Server starting up with that password. Users do not need to request. Generate password. Users do not need to request. Password has been set. Blah blah blah. Okay. There we go. Now we are going to go down here and okay. We're gonna say right here if request needed is equal to 1, then we are actually gonna send them the. Okay, wait, hold on. This is gonna be a little bit more harder. If request needed is equal to 1, then password not needed. Also, yeah, we're gonna. No, never mind. Okay, so request needed. Check if users need to do that. Blah blah blah. Oh yeah, we don't need to check this shit. Oh yeah, that's actually good. Yeah, okay. Because we're already doing it down there on the bottom. Okay, which is right here. Request needed for server check. Then it does that. Let's separate these to make it more readable. Okay, perfect. The OK signal, all this, we could just make a const std string user OK signal is equal to server sets message. Get message by signal. We'll say signal type OK signal. All right. Now, yeah, that's pretty much it. We'll say users dot dot c string. Okay. Just convert that to that. Actually, we'll just leave that right there. All right. If that Okay. Config. Yeah, we'll just go to right here, signal handling, and this is for the client. We need for this server signal handling. Okay, we can say just the connection signal. Alright, and we'll just say this is just connection signal. And same thing with right here. We don't even need it here, to be honest. Yeah, we don't really need it here. This string, and this vector, signal strings vector. Do we actually? Yeah, we do. Okay. Dot append. So, so we're just encoding that. Okay, but we're returning it encoded, so we're gonna have to decode it after that. Okay. Connection signal is that, so we can probably just say in our code when we want to call it, we can say server. Okay. Server set message, and then what's called, we're just gonna say get message. Get message. Oh fuck. God damn it. Get message by signal. We'll say signal type connection signal, and right here we'll just say yeah, we'll just be like this. Store this in a string. We'll say const std string connection signal is equal, it's just equal to that. So we could just say this, and then since we're not appending it, blah blah blah. This message is not really needed. Connection signal. This is just gonna be right here. Connection signal is never sent appended to a mess. It's because it's a connection signal. It's only used in the start, basically. The connection signal is that, so it's just gonna return this basically. Now we're going to we're gonna actually call it right here. Alright, we're gonna make it right here. Alright, before the while loop, so it's basically made for us. And right here, we're just gonna be stuck in here, the clients and all that shit. So we don't have to continue doing it. It's gonna take a little bit more time and stuff. Alright. Now, these, yeah, we're just gonna do that right now. The ping signal, we're just gonna leave that too. Right here, connection signal, we'll just const std string. Should we? Actually, no. It's not really needed. Okay. We can just go right here. Do the same thing up here, basically. We'll go right here and we'll say this. Connection signal is that, and then it's just gonna check if it's the connection signal. Okay. Yeah, that's it, basically. Okay. handle the client and all that shit with the request. Blah blah blah. Fuck. Say without a password. 8080. Oh, wait. Wait. Signal pass. It's not a valid signal. How's it not a valid signal? It is valid. Get message by signal. Mm. Okay, let me start this shit again. Seriously? God damn it. Wait, okay. You can't find it. Uh, this is acting annoying as fuck. Why is it not finding it? And how is it not valid? What the fuck? Okay, but anyways, we're gonna just send the connection signal right here. This one. Signal handling. Alright, right here we're gonna pass this now. Alright, and we're just gonna add this. Okay. Get a signal type from message. It's gonna decode that. It's gonna return that. Okay. Connection signal. No. We can't get a signal type and send it from the client to the server because we don't have that set up, which makes it a little bit more fucking annoying. I'm just gonna work on this later. Yeah, bye.